What's up, everybody? So today I've actually got my Rocky Mountain order coming in, and in that order I've got my new rims and spoke kit for my 2018 CR500 build. And I got thinking about it, and you know what? I'm getting too dang old to be changing tires on the floor, so I'm gonna build me a tire changing stand, and I'm gonna kind of walk you through what I'm gonna do for this tire changing stand. So that being said, I really got to give credit to the design of this tire changing stand to Jay Clark over at Dirt Bike TV. If you guys don't know who he is, go check him out. He's guy's pretty amazing. He's got a lot of really good information and pretty entertaining stuff. These guys do a lot of riding and a lot of bike builds and, you know, a lot of maintenance stuff. So they're pretty fun to watch. But, you know, that being said, I can't take credit for the design on this thing, but the cool thing of it is he's willing to share the design of this stand. I mean, all you got to do is email him, and he'll email you the plans right over, and it's pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my material out on the ground, and I'm gonna get it degreased and get it all cleaned up, and then I'm gonna start chopping it up and gluing it together with the welder. Got all of the stand pieces cut out minus the top plate, but so there's the main beam. Those will be the kickers for the legs, and those will be the feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay these out and get them all tacked together, and we'll get the top cut out and be done with this project. So I got the base of this thing pretty much put together. Now all I got to do is just cut the 7-inch ring right here out of the 1/4-inch slick plate, put the 3/4-inch rod in it, and we're pretty much done with this project. So just about got this thing done. Still doing a few things to it, but couldn't have timed that any better. Check this out. Oh yeah, there's some Rocky Mountain parts right there. Woo, Rocky Mountain. That's exciting. It's not all of them, but it's a good start to get this thing finished. I'm super excited. This is better than Christmas. Look at all that box of goodness. Woo! Waiting on a few more parts, but we're getting super close to this old girl getting fired up and put together. So let me show you kind of what I got going on here. So this is the top piece that will sit down inside the top of the stand like that. And in the instructions, they want you to just weld a 3/4 inch rod in there. But I want to be able to use this on smaller dirt bikes with a smaller axle size. So this will just sit down inside of there, and I'll be able to slide that out. And then if I need to use a smaller rod, I can put that down in there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go on the lathe and turn out a bushing that will take up the space of this, and then I'll plug weld it to this one, and it will actually act like the 3/4 rod will. So that's just one little difference I'm gonna do on this stand. Everything else is pretty much the same. Well, and there's the final product. I'm really happy with how this turned out. It seems very sturdy, and I think it's gonna make my life a lot better as far as changing tires. Got her all welded up. Just needs a little quick coat of paint on it to keep it from rusting, and I'm gonna take and cut and put a piece of plastic on top of the circle to keep from marring up the bolts and stuff like that on the wheels. But anyways, I'm gonna get some paint put on it, and I couldn't have done this any sooner. As you can see, when I was doing it, the FedEx guy showed up with all my parts for my bike. So I'm gonna get some paint put on this thing and let it dry, and I'm gonna put it to work building wheels for my 18. Anyways, appreciate it. Thanks for watching.